reading my magazine. I'm reading my magazine. Okay. What a day. What a day. What a day. Oh my goodness.
Would you like your meal?
Oh yes, I'm so hungry. So hungry.
Here's your meal.
I'm so hungry. Would you have my fork and my knife, please? I like to cut my food. Here's the service there.
Here's a spoon and a
That
fork.
might be them.
Don't poke him.
A spoon? Ah, I got my finger. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Did you give me my applesauce?
Oh, here.
Ouch. You got my popcorn instead.
Here's the applesauce.
Thirsty.
Here's the applesauce right here.
Thank you. Did you get my spoon? I like my applesauce served in a bowl. Not baby anymore. Did you get my bowl?
Here's the bowl.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here's the bowl.
It's so good. It's just 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 so good. It's so good. See my wrap. Like a, oh, but I just like to eat it all. So good.
Is that enough, Bo? Do you want some more to drink?
So thirsty. Ah, so thirsty. Oh, so thirsty.